When Blender 4.0 was updated to Blender 4.1, Shade Auto Smooth was replaced by two options. Shade Smooth by Angle, which was accessed by right clicking and then choosing Shade Smooth by Angle, and it would mark edges as sharp to decide which areas were smooth and which areas were not. However, Blender has changed things back to Auto Smooth again, but it's still a little bit different in Blender 4.2. So I'm going to show you the differences today compared to the original version of Shade Auto Smooth. So I've got my cylinder here, which I've just added by pressing Shift A, and then under mesh I just chose cylinder. What I'm going to do is right click, and here you can see Shade Auto Smooth is back in Blender 4.2. So when I left click this, you can see it's now shaded my object nicely. And when I press tab to go into edit mode, you can see there's no sharp edges that have been marked since it's not using that Shade Smooth by Angle method. However, if I left click and drag out this menu here, few things are different. If I come down to my green triangle where Shade Auto Smooth used to be, you will find no Auto Smooth option in here. Rather, instead, they've still kept a little pinch of Blender 4.1, and instead they're using a modifier. Here you can see this uses this Shade Smooth by Angle modifier still, but there's no more of this marking edges by default. It will just automatically add this modifier for you, which saves you having to come to the add modifier and find it yourself. If I left click this and then choose apply and press tab to go into edit mode, you can see it's applied those sharp edges again, which may be useful for some people. I'll press Ctrl Z to undo that, so we've got our modifier again. And yeah, I thought I'd just quickly update you on yet another change to shading smooth in Blender, this time in Blender 4.2. Who knows, we may get another change in Blender 4.3. But for now, I'd like to thank you so much for watching, and if you want to learn more about the Blender 4.2 features, make sure to check out my playlist here. Apart from that though, thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.